Imagine a battlefield where soldiers are equipped with technology straight out of a sci-fi movie. Picture a soldier with the strength of 10 men and the intelligence of a supercomputer. Our soldiers deserve nothing less than cutting-edge innovation in a world constantly on the edge. Discover 10 mind-blowing inventions elevating soldiers to new heights. Gear up for the future of warfare with these groundbreaking advancements. It's not all about tough training and strategy. Technology is stepping up, giving soldiers some serious upgrades. Let's dive into some mind-blowing inventions that are set to take soldiers to the next level. The world of military technology is on the brink of some mind-blowing breakthroughs that are set to revolutionize the way soldiers operate on the battlefield. From gear that seems straight out of a sci-fi movie to gadgets that vastly improve safety and efficiency. Let's dive into some of the coolest inventions that are about to take soldiers to a whole new level. Number 1. Exoskeleton Suits. Imagine Iron Man meets the military. Exoskeleton suits are already being tested, and they're as cool as they sound. These suits can potentially give soldiers superhuman strength and endurance. This means they can carry heavier gear without breaking a sweat, march longer distances without fatigue, and even lift injured comrades with ease. It's like having your own personal power-up button. Imagine strapping into a suit that suddenly multiplies your strength and stamina. That's exactly what the latest exoskeleton suits are designed to do. These aren't just prototypes anymore. They're becoming a reality for soldiers around the globe. These suits can help a soldier carry heavy loads with ease, march longer distances without fatigue, and even reduce the risk of injuries. It's like having your own personal superhero outfit. Number 2. Smart uniforms. Gone are the days of simple camo. Future uniforms are getting a high-tech makeover. We're talking about fabrics that can adapt to temperatures, control odors, and even turn bulletproof. Yes, you heard that right. Plus, these uniforms might come with built-in sensors to monitor health stats and GPS for pinpoint location tracking. It's like wearing a smartwatch, but for your whole body. Gone are the days of wearing just plain old camo. Future uniforms are getting a high-tech makeover. We're talking about materials that can adapt to temperature changes, fabrics that heal themselves when torn, and even uniforms integrated with sensors that monitor health stats in real time. Plus, these uniforms might soon be able to make soldiers virtually invisible with adaptive camouflage technology. Pretty cool, right? Number 3. Augmented reality, AR, goggles. Forget about traditional maps or handheld devices. Augmented reality goggles can overlay valuable data right into a soldier's field of vision. Need to spot enemy locations, navigate terrain, or get real-time mission updates? AR goggles have got you covered. It's like having a video game HUD, heads-up display, in real life, making sure soldiers have all the info they need without looking away from the action. AR goggles are set to change the game in combat strategy and field operations. These goggles can provide real-time data directly to the wearer's eyes. Imagine seeing map overlays, enemy positions, and vital stats without ever looking away from the battlefield. It's like having a video game HUD in real life, enhancing situational awareness and tactical planning. Number 4. Silent communication devices. In the heart of a tense operation, silence can be your greatest weapon. But how do you coordinate a complex maneuver or relay critical intel without giving away your position? Silent communication devices, a game changer for tactical communication. Imagine whispering directly into your teammate's ear, even when you're miles apart. Silent communication devices can utilize bone conduction to transmit sound vibrations through the jawbone, directly to the inner ear. This allows soldiers to receive messages clearly without any external noise. This futuristic tech taps into the power of the mind. By using brainwave sensors and sophisticated algorithms, these devices can translate a soldier's thoughts into text messages displayed on a heads-up display, HUD, worn by teammates. This silent transmission eliminates the need for spoken words or hand signals altogether. By eliminating radio chatter, silent communication devices ensure operational secrecy, preventing enemies from intercepting valuable intel. No more giveaway sounds or hand movements. Silent communication minimizes the chances of soldiers being spotted or ambushed. Clear and instant messaging within a squad, even in loud environments, ensures seamless teamwork and faster response times. Number 5. Energy harvesting boots. Forget bulky power packs and unreliable generators. Imagine this. You're on patrol, miles from base camp, and your night vision goggles start to flicker. No worries. With energy harvesting boots, every step you take becomes a step toward a charged device. These innovative boots are embedded with piezoelectric materials that convert the pressure from your footfalls into electricity. That energy is then stored in a miniaturized battery within the boot itself. No more scrambling for chargers or relying on dwindling battery supplies. These boots ensure your essential gear stays powered up, even in remote locations. Unlike noisy generators, energy harvesting boots are virtually silent. This allows for stealthy movement and a tactical advantage during covert operations. Imagine eliminating the need to transport bulky batteries and generators. Energy harvesting boots streamline logistics and lighten the load for soldiers. Energy harvesting boots are still under development, but the potential for this technology is enormous. It's a small step today, but a giant leap towards a future where our movements power not just our journeys, but our technology as well. Number 6, biometric data analyzers. The battlefield is a crucible, testing soldiers' physical and mental resilience to the limit. But what if you could predict potential health risks before they even occur? Biometric data analyzers, a game changer for battlefield medicine. These wearable devices are compact and unobtrusive, seamlessly integrated into a soldier's gear. Real-time tracking of these vital signs provides early warnings of fatigue, exertion, or potential injuries. Monitoring these indicators can help identify soldiers at risk of heat stroke, dehydration, or altitude sickness. By analyzing physiological markers like sweat conductivity and muscle tension, these devices can gauge a soldier's stress levels, helping to prevent combat stress and mental fatigue. Biometric data analyzers represent a revolution in battlefield healthcare. These devices are not just about monitoring. They are about proactive health management, empowering soldiers to fight at their peak and ensuring their well-being even in the harshest environments. It's a testament to how technology can become a guardian angel, safeguarding the health of those who risk everything for our safety. Number 7, robot drones and companions. Forget the clunky remote-controlled drones of yesterday. The future of battlefield support arrives with robot drones and companions, transforming the way soldiers operate in the field. Imagine a tireless teammate, always by your side, ready to take on the toughest challenges. Constructed with advanced materials and designed to withstand harsh environments, these robots can operate in extreme temperatures, dust storms, and rough terrain. Onboard artificial intelligence allows these drones to adapt to changing situations, make real-time decisions, and even anticipate soldier needs. No longer confined to just reconnaissance, these robots can be modular, allowing for different configurations. They can carry ammunition and supplies, provide medical aid, or even engage in combat alongside soldiers. Imagine a drone scouting ahead, relaying vital intel about enemy positions and potential hazards, giving soldiers the edge they need. These robots can carry heavy equipment, lessening the physical strain on soldiers and allowing them to focus on combat tasks. In the heat of battle, these robots can act as first responders, providing medical assistance and evacuating wounded soldiers from the battlefield. Imagine a robot companion that can analyze a soldier's emotional state and provide comfort or encouragement. Through battlefield data analysis and real-time communication, these robots could become trusted advisors, suggesting tactical options and optimizing battle strategies. Robot drones and companions represent a paradigm shift in warfare. These are not just machines, they are loyal wingmen, offering soldiers not just physical support, but also a sense of camaraderie and trust in the face of danger. The future of combat belongs to those who fight alongside these technological companions. Number 8, unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs. The battlefield is a place of calculated risk, but what if there were ways to minimize those risks for human soldiers? Unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, the robotic workhorses of the future battlefield. Imagine a tireless, expendable teammate who can tackle the most hazardous tasks, allowing soldiers to focus on strategic objectives. These nimble robots can scout ahead in hostile environments, gathering crucial intel about enemy positions and potential threats. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, they can navigate treacherous terrain and operate silently, minimizing the risk of detection. These heavily armored robots are the ultimate bomb disposal specialists. Equipped with robotic arms and advanced detonation tools, they can safely disarm mines and improvised explosive devices, IEDs, protecting soldiers from these deadly threats. Imagine a tireless pack mule, carrying vital supplies like ammunition, water, and medical aid directly to frontline units. These UGVs can navigate complex terrain and operate autonomously, ensuring critical supplies reach soldiers even under fire. Unmanned ground vehicles are no longer science fiction. They are the reality of the modern battlefield, transforming how wars are fought and protecting soldiers from the most immediate dangers. UGVs are a testament to how technology can become a shield, safeguarding the lives of those who defend our freedom. Number 9, portable energy generators. The modern battlefield stretches far beyond traditional borders. Soldiers operate in remote locations, jungles, deserts, and mountains, places where access to power can be a challenge. But what if soldiers could generate their own electricity, anywhere, anytime? Portable energy generators, the ultimate off-the-grid power source for the future soldier. Designed for portability, these generators can be easily carried in a backpack or attached to a soldier's gear, ensuring a reliable power source on the move. No longer reliant on a single fuel source, these generators can harness the power of nature. Solar panels capture sunlight, wind turbines utilize wind energy, and some models even convert kinetic energy from a soldier's movement into electricity, truly turning every step into power. Unlike traditional generators, these units operate quietly, maintaining operational secrecy and minimizing the soldier's acoustic footprint. Portable energy generators are a revolution in battlefield logistics. These compact and versatile units empower soldiers to operate independently, unshackled from the constraints of traditional power sources. It's a testament to how technology can provide soldiers with the freedom and flexibility they need to dominate any battlefield, anywhere in the world. Number 10, biometric wearables. Keeping track of a soldier's health and performance is crucial, and biometric wearables are the answer. These devices monitor everything from heart rate and hydration levels to stress markers, providing commanders with up-to-the-minute data to make informed decisions. Plus, these wearables can alert medics immediately if a soldier is injured, potentially saving lives with speedy response times. So, there you have it. The future of military technology isn't just about enhancing combat, it's about boosting soldiers' capabilities in every way possible. With all these incredible inventions in the pipeline, soldiers will be safer, stronger, and smarter. It's a whole new level of cool and effective. Can't wait to see these in action. These inventions are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the next generation of military technology. As these tools and technologies continue to develop, they promise to make soldiers more efficient, better protected, and equipped to handle the challenges of modern warfare. So get ready for a future where the battlefield is smarter, soldiers are stronger, and the possibilities are truly endless. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.